Bill here from Zultys with another video tutorial on the Zultys line of business phone systems. Today we're going to be talking about notification rules. Notification rules are rules that you can set yourself or your system administrator can set them for you. And they'll let you, when you receive a voicemail or a fax, can notify you of that. So it can send a copy of the voicemail to you, or send a copy of the fax, or it can just give you a notification that you've received one. So to do that yourself, you just go into ZAC, go to Settings, click on Voicemail Notification. I have a couple of rules here already set up, but let me show you how easy it is to make a new rule from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Add button. I'm going to call this Voicemail to Email. Now when I get a new message, I can either have it notify me by sending an email, or if you have the system call me, that's perfectly fine too. In this case, I'm going to have it send me an email. Here I'm going to specify my email address. And then don't forget to press the enter or return key to cement that. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach the message. You don't have to. You can just be a notice that you've got a new message. But I'm going to go ahead and attach it. And then what do I want to do with the message on the phone system? I can either leave it as unread on the phone system, I could mark it as read on the phone system, or I could just delete it off the phone system. Simply a matter of what I want to select. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that as unread. And for the most part, that's a good notification rule. I just go ahead and click OK. But let me just show you some of the other options. So I've got it set to do this on each new message. I can put the media, so I can, if I select media, I can choose whether it's a voicemail or a fax. Message from, message is older than, time of day, days of the week. So number of different conditions that you can do here. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and set this to this. Go ahead and click OK. And then when I apply that, now whenever I get a new voicemail message, it'll send that off to my email address and leave it as unread on the phone system. So it's as easy as that to create a notification rule. Let me show you a couple of other rules that might be kind of interesting. I've already got them created here, so I can click the, maybe I want to do this, but only during the weekends. So on days of the week, I can go ahead and select the days of the week, so just on Saturdays and Sundays, and again I can send it via email to my email address and attach the message. So this might be a message that I want to do. Hey, I'm not checking my voicemail all the time at the office during the weekend, but if I'm checking my email every once in a while, so that might be a good thing to do. And to make these active or inactive, you just check the box or uncheck the box and then make them active. So right now I don't have any notification rules active. Now we also have the ability with the notification rules to escalate and send reminders. So here's an example of an escalation. So in this case, it's going to send me an email to my email address when I get the message, as soon as somebody leaves it. And then it's going to wait an hour. So I can change this if I want, but right now it's set for an hour. If it still hasn't been read, it's then going to send another email notification to me, but also to my manager, attach the email. And so this is now, if I don't respond to the message or mark the message as read or delete it, it will now send it to both myself and my supervisor. So this is a great way of doing an escalation. If you've got SLAs, service level agreements, that you need to respond to messages in a certain period of time, this is a great way to enforce that. Again, if I wanted to edit this, I can just click here, and then I can go ahead and add or delete additional email addresses. So this is notification rules. This is something you can set yourself by just using the ZAC application, or you can have your phone system administrator do this for you as well. So thanks for watching this video on notification rules, another video in the Zultys product line of business phone systems. Thanks for watching.